State pharmacists and lawmakers are making another push this year at the Capitol to consider reform to pharmacy benefit managers who mediate prescription prices between pharmacies and insurance companies. Local 5's Connor O'Neill reports the effects a bill in both chambers could have on how you get your medicine.
On Wednesday at the Capitol, the Iowa Pharmacy Association worked to raise awareness for a bill making its way through the House and Senate that would prohibit a pharmacy benefit manager from reimbursing a pharmacy an amount less than the drug acquisition costs national average.
The issue of unsustainable reimbursement by PBMs impacts all pharmacies in our state.
The Iowa Pharmacy Association added that PBM practices, including providing lower reimbursement rates, led 29 state pharmacies to close in 2024 and more than 150 in the past decade. When that happens, the Iowa Pharmacy Association added rural communities will begin to struggle to get access to health care.
And if the copay accumulator was banned, we wouldn't have those issues, and no family should have to pick between feeding their children and giving them the treatment to have a normal life.
The legislation would also allow pharmacies to decline dispensing prescriptions to people if that pharmacy would be reimbursed less than its acquisition costs for that prescription. Opponents of the bill argue more needs to be done to better understand the reimbursement side before allocating costs.
Removing incentives to choose mail-order pharmacy would lead to increased costs on the very Iowans you represent.
So to suggest that there's some sort of hidden activity here is inaccurate. You have constituents, I'm sure, including seniors on fixed incomes, that are concerned about their prescription drug costs. This bill will absolutely result in more money going to pharmacies.
Now, last year at the State House, similar legislation that aimed to also reform pharmacy benefit managers failed to pass. At the State Capitol, Connor O'Neill, Local 5 News.
Well, the same reform bill passed through a Senate subcommittee also today, making it one step away from being eligible for floor debate in both chambers.